Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with Nadulahair company. They sent me over one of their newest wigs, so let's get into it. This is their golden brown highlights water wave textured bye-bye knots lace closure wig. The closure of this wig is 7 by 5 and it is pre-everything, bye-bye knots. The lace is already bleached, plucked, and already cut for you, so it is ready to wear. I'm going ahead and trying the wig on right out of the box, and honestly guys, this is a ready to wear wig. It is completely glueless. This is what the wig looks like right outside of the box, and first impression guys, I actually really love this color on me. I know I told y'all I'm not really into colors no more, but these golden brown highlights are just giving me life. Y'all, I had to do like a little dance for it because I absolutely love it. And the water wave texture is giving me everything that is supposed to give, okay? First thing first, let's get that lace together. I'm going ahead and adding some of my foundation powder around the lace, just to make sure that that lace really blends into my skin. And guys, this next step is completely optional. Although I do love a curved part, the part was just a little too curved for me, so I'm going in and just straightening out that part just a little bit. I'm still leaving a bit of a curve, but this is just my preference guys. And to make sure that that hair is nice and flat around the part area, I'm using my wax stick and laying that down before I go in with my hot comb and make sure it is super flat. I do want to let you guys know that if you're not a fan of super long hair, because the length that I have in now is 24 inches, they do have 16 to 24 inches on their website. So next guys, I'm going in with my Lotta Body foaming mousse, and I ended up adding that all to the hair and just defining those curls a little bit more. I really do like the way the hair looks in its natural state, but I did want to see how the hair looked in its juicy, curly, like more defined state, and I actually like it better this way. So it is optional. You can leave it in its natural state, or you can go ahead and add some mousse in there, some water like I did. And this is what it would look like. Guys, I did end up waiting about 10 minutes. I just wanted the hair to dry completely before I showed you guys the finished look. And this was 10 minutes later. This is how the hair looked once it was dry. Nice and moisturized and really pretty. I love how the hair is dry, but it still gives that nice juicy curly look. So that is definitely a plus. Again guys, I am in love with these golden brown highlights. And one thing about me, y'all, I am a convenience girly these days. The older I get, I want convenience, okay? So a wig that I can just throw on and go. As you can see, it is completely glueless. I didn't add any glue, any adhesives whatsoever. A wig like this is my go-to. So yeah guys, if you are interested in this wig or any other wig from Nadulahair company, go ahead and check out my description box. All the links will be down below. Give me a like and a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.